Con flow, ay, 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 qué rico queda tum tum.
First step, add video, music, and music beats point. Next, click the second video, choose speed, curve, and costume. Set the speed as in this video. Shorten the video if it's too long, and duplicate the video. Choose speed, curve, and costume. Set the speed like this video. After setting the speed, reverse the video. Do the speed costume step and reverse this to the next video. After you finish setting the speed and reverse, go to the second video and select Transform, Advance, Zoom. Give 2 keyframes at the beginning and end. Zoom 135 on the last keyframe. For the next video, give 2 keyframes as before, and zoom 135 on the first keyframe. Do this step and before to the next video. After setting the zoom, go to the second video and give the cubic graph out, and the cubic graph in the next video, give the cubic graph out and in, alternate to the next video. After finishing, and this is the result.
Con flow, ay, 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 qué rico queda tum tum.